Hello to everyone. In this work we are going to talk about teaching physics in higher education, use of information and communication technologies, and digital resources. This work has been made in Mexico. We are from San Luis Potosí, and this is a collaborative work between Instituto Tecnológico de San Luis Potosí and Universidad Autónoma de San Luis Potosí. For this work, we are working in the implementation of the physics course in the distance modality through the use of information and communication technologies. Also, we are working with digital educational resources. Especially, we are working with the industrial engineering careers at the Institute Tecnológico of San Luis Potosí. To put all the material together and to work with the students in this modality, we are using the Moodle platform, and as sample for this work, we take 4 groups from the Xilitla, Agualulco, El Naranjo, and Moctezuma campus. During this work, we do some steps, different steps for each of the stages. And first, for each of the educational campuses, we select one group, and then we have a sample who consists of 28 students from the 4 campuses. The material to put on the platform on Moodle was selected, including previous readings, links, laboratories, bibliographic supports, and other things. We also make some synchronous works. We make some sessions with the students from Monday to Friday during 8 weeks, and the sessions were carried out using video calls and electronic blackboard as support. Also, to know if the students were acquiring the knowledge about each of the units, we designed a test. The test was performed in the platform, and a survey was developed with 5 multiple choice items and 1 open question to find the students' perception of the learning modality and to improve the process. We have some interesting results that you are watching in the screen. The first one, 65% of the students consider that this type of modality allows them to develop the necessary competencies according to the study plan. Also, more than 90% consider that the material inside the Moodle course is generally adequate for the learning process. More than 80% of the students believes that the synchronous sessions are a good support and contribute to reinforce the material of the subjects. And finally, the most important thing, according to the surveys, more than half of the students agree that the same level of training is reached in the distance modality as in the face-to-face mode. This is an important thing because we have the modality distance, and the students are from some cities where they don't have a high school, so they need to study in this modality if they don't want to move to the city. Okay. And another important result is about the knowledge. According to the results of the test, more than 90% of students have the necessary knowledge and skills that are established in each of the units. Then we think that we are doing a good work with the students because almost 100% of students have the knowledge, have the skills, and this is really a good percentage. And as a conclusion, The students consider that the fact of not having a teacher in the classroom does not represent an impediment, but rather that self-learning is encouraged in addition to collaborative work and a sense of responsibility in each of them. Regarding the use of simulators, calculators, and other digital resources, the students believe or mention that they would like to have physical laboratories that allow them to apply the knowledge and develop new skills. And finally, in relation to the fulfillment of the objectives of the course and according to the review of the evidence and evaluations, it can be concluded that in general the objectives and competencies in the study plan are complete. And finally, we are putting here our